welcome to my fifth video in the Popsicle series where we blend the worlds of pop and classical music through arranging. This video in my series will focus on another genre, musicals, with the song Over the Rainbow by Harold Arlen. Arlen was a very famous composer who is best known for writing Over the Rainbow for the 1939 movie The Wizard of Oz. Sang by Judy Garland, it is one of the most famous melodies known worldwide to this day. So I wanted to start with the original tempo. The original BPM was 78, but I put 72. I didn't want there to be any rush on the student because of things in this piece like accidentals and the introduction of 16th note melodies. Next is the key signature. As you notice, there isn't any. I wrote this in C major, though originally Judy sang it in A flat major. However, other famous versions, like by Israel Kamakawiwo'ol, sang this in C major, so I decided to go with that key signature so students can focus more on rhythms and the chords. The first part is just this little 4-bar intro section. The main melody, the one that everyone knows, is in the right hand, and I also incorporated chords in it. Which we discussed in the third video with the Turkish march song. We introduced chord melodies. And then there are a few new rhythms as well, such as the 16th notes here that are playing the ascending C major scale. The left hand starts out with an easy quarter note progression, but when the main theme comes back later, it changes to eighth notes, highlighting the arpeggios of the chord progression. And then measure 24 and 25. This is a little chord progression that has some really tricky accidentals to help the student practice that. The melody plays 3 times throughout, with the intro section acting as a quote-unquote verse, but it's just transposed an octave lower.